Hi guys, this is Mars Hydro here. Today we're going to show how to set up the tent. We open the box and see the tent, a bag of corner adapters, the framework supports, filter straps, and instruction manual. It's empty. Next, we will see the components. This is the tent. 8 pieces corner adapters marked SD. The black rubber. It should be on the ground. And 8 pieces framework support E. 4 pieces framework support F. And 4 pieces framework support G. Two pieces framework support H, which is used to hide the light. 1 piece framework support J. Okay, that's all. Firstly, we connect the corner adapter and framework support E. There is a small button here. You can press it. Connect it to the corner adapters. The black rubber should be on the ground. Let's connect E support and the 4 corner adapters. Secondly, connect the corner adapter and framework support F. This is the G support connected to F. And the left 4 adapters be put at 4 sides. And the left 4 E supports be connected. Next, let's put up the tent. First, we unfold the tent. And this is a flower tray. Let's put it aside with supports H and J. Then set up the tent. We need to make sure that the tent corners fit for the supports. Next, install the framework supports H and J. Add H first. And J should be across H. Please be careful in case the support damage the tent. Next, add the flower tray. Finally, we zip up and work is done.
Here above, we have a 20 cm diameter hole for the vent pipe, 2 layers outside and inside. Both use the design that when we press the button, we can control the size of the holes. At the side of the tent, you can zip open a layer. With this design, you can check the plant's growth more conveniently. Below here is also a hub. Same design as the above one. Here's a rectangle hole at the bottom side as well. You can adjust the size of the hole by the Velcro. The same design at the other side of the tent. We also use a Velcro design for the front window. Open the window and stick it to the side wall. The layer won't affect your works inside the tent. All of our grill tents are made with Oxford cloth, environmental and odorless. The zipper we use are from SBS, the best zipper brand in China. Inside the tent, here's the other side layer of the hole at the side, as we mentioned before, and at the back of the tent, there is also a 7.5 cm diameter hole for you to use. At the bottom of the tents, we use a removable layer. You can always move it out to clean easily. Our tents can bear more than 50 kilogram weight, so there is no need to worry about the safety of hanging heavy lights. Look at me, I'm around 55 kilogram, and the tent has no problem to handle here. Now let's check the optical opacity of the tents. Here's our reflector 19.6. Now we hang the light and switch on both bottoms. Zip off the tents. It's 100% dark outside, as you can see. Inside of the tent, all the cloth is covered by PVC, a kind of material which can reflect in the lights, so no light waste at all.